So what will happen in the market right now? Trump trade war. I hope you have heard about it. Will Trump's trade war derail the stock market? What will happen? What's your take? So let's discuss about this topic. So back in 2018, the US-China trade war led to 22% correction in the US stock market, right? Over approximately 11 months. Fast forward to 2025 and we find ourselves in the mindset of yet another trade conflict, but this time involving multiple countries. The NASDAQ has already corrected by 8% from its peak, and with recent tariff impositions on Canada, Mexico, and China, concerns about economic stability are rising, right? So, understanding the trade war's impact, what will be the impact? How will it impact us, the middle class? So, the US is a net importer, meaning it imports more goods than it exports, all right? By imposing tariffs, the government aims to make the foreign goods more expensive, theoretically, engaging domestic productions. However, the strategy has, you know, unintended consequence, kind of like chiefly inflation, as we know. So as import cost rises, companies passes these expenses on the consumers, increasing overall price level. So who will be playing, the great role? So who will be paying this kind of prices, high prices? Definitely us, the consumers, right? So inflation and market reaction. Inflation is a critical factor in the stock market performance. In the past, inflationary pressure led to significant market decline. For example, from 2021 to 2022, inflation concerns caused a 20% correction. If the current trade war escalates inflation again, a similar outcome could occur, potentially pursuing market down another 10 to 12% to key support level around the 200-day moving average. So what are the scenarios that we can expect, right? So scenarios for the future. So prismatic scenario, if the trade war intensifies, inflation could spiral out of control, so leading to aggressive federal reverse inversion. So what will happen? So in this case, the NASDAQ could face a total decline of up to 25% with an additional of 12 to 13% fall from current level. So baseline scenario, a moderate resolution within the next 6 to 12 months would likely lead to a slowdown in the GDP growth rather than severe contraction. This could result in sideways market with fluctuations, but no major collapse. A short-term dip of 5 to 6% possible, but long-term stability remains likely. As I told you, so 6 to 12 months it should take to recover the market, right? The scenario it's been right now, it's totally, very much painful to watch the market totally crash like this. So optimistic scenario, if the trade war is resolved swiftly or strategically policy adjustments are made, markets could, recover sooner than expected. This would lead to renewed economic confidence, encouraging a rebound in stock prices. So investment strategies, like for investors, the scenario present different opportunities. Pessimistic outlook suggest cautions, supposedly favoring defensive stocks or bonds. A baseline scenario allows for selective investments in strong, resilient companies. An optimistic scenario encourages long-term positions in growth stock, expecting market recovery. So, what's my conclusion or verdict? While trade was introduced uncertainty, right? While trade was, it introduced uncertainty. Historical data shows that the market adapt over time, right? So investors should focus on fundamentals, measure, majority of the stocks and what are the holdings and all, monitor economics indicators and adjust their strategies based on the evolving situation. Staying informed and diversification is the key. Like you should, diversify your portfolio, navigate this challenge swiftly, and with times you will get due results, as always, as I keep on saying. So in previous video I have also explained what the current scenario in the market and how much I made in this kind of days and how much my portfolio went down, and I've shown you everything. And I also mentioned like the recent scenarios in the market, why the market is behaving like this, what are the key impacts. So you can watch that video, 30 minutes I guess, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, so if you are watching this video, make sure to watch it in 1.5x. It might save you certain time. And thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will keep on updating you guys on the recent scenario. And if you are interested in trading, do let me know. I'll make sure to provide you the telegram link. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope that this trade war and everything, works out pretty smoothly, although it won't put that much kind of pressure in the Indian stock market or Indian market, but still it poses a significant amount of threat to the market. And talking about the cryptocurrency and all, so as I already did mention that US and other countries will be, increasing their, cryptocurrency reserves and all. So this is gonna become a major thing right now. So earlier, countries used to hold gold, silvers, and other stuff, and now they will be holding this kind of cryptocurrency. So I don't know exactly how much they can hold or what's their potential. So yeah, let's see. Let's hope for the best. Goodbye, sayonara, peace out.